Hello viewers, let's download and register JazzCash account. This is one of the best app for online payments or sending money from one person to another person. Moreover, some people face difficulty in registration or their fingerprints, so I try my level best to make it easy. On screen please. First open Play Store in your mobile and then go to search. Now in search type JazzCash. First option appear. Now select it and click install. Now the installation will begin and then we will open it and we'll go for configuration manual as well as through CNIC. Now it's open, click allow and the download option is okay. Now click close or subscribe to the incentive of Jazz. It's up to you to choose either option. Let's click open the JazzCash app and feed your number. Now, after feeding the number, another interface appears. OTP has been sent, so click allow. And now let me enter the detail manually. CNIC has been picked by the app automatically, so if any problem appear, we will go for scanning the CNIC card. So name, email address has been written and now CNIC data issue is feeded. Click OK and also I hereby acknowledge tick mark and then click next. This is the option for scanning of CNIC. So now in manual feeding it gives me error. So let me go for the registration through scanning card. Now this option appears, so either you save your password or not, it's up to you. Let me save it. Now while using the app, choose this option. It's a better option for ease. And now place your card in front of the camera in sunlight or maximum light. Now click tick mark and it's done almost. Now click once again next and an OTP will be sent on your mobile. It has been reached, so click allow. Now scan CNIC. Choose this option. It will ask for your 4-digit PIN. Repeat it and it's done. Now once again, while using the app, it's a better option. Click on it and now fingerprints. First your left hand and then right hand. When your finger become green, so it's okay. Better you do this scanning in sunlight, so this become very easy. Click OK and after your second hand, it's done. Now once again click OK and once again OK. Now the app has been registered and it's working. Let's open it. It's in front of you. It has unique features of payments. Now if I feed my number and click next, so I'll get into the app by providing the PIN. Now it will ask for your location, so it's better that you own your location through GPS. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.